everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a full walk around one of the most exciting A-Class models on the market, and that is the 2026 Rapido 896F. This is a 4-berth luxury family tour. It's packed with loads of modern tech and that prestige Rapido build quality. So we're built on the Fiat Ducato. It's an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Now it measures in at 7.49 metres in length and 2.35 wide, so you do have that nice spacious feel inside without feeling too big on the road. So if you're familiar with the previous model Rapido 896s, we've got a different setup here on the 2026 model. So you've got that honeycomb grille at the front. You've got these new additional cluster lights, so it is very tidy looking. And then as we make our way around to the side, we've got our 16-inch two-tone alloys. Your gas is kept at the front here. Your habitation doors at this side. You've got an electric welcome step as well, and you've also got your awning light. And then at the back is your huge garage, so we'll take a look in there. It's perfect for all your outdoor gear, all your bags, bikes, you name it. So this is the garage. You may be thinking, surely this isn't it, but it actually rises. So this is your bed. It's electrically adjustable. You've got a button in the garage, so you can basically adjust it to whatever height you need while you're traveling. Beside that is your shower point, and you've also got your lighting in here as well. At the back we have our reverse camera. Now a little touch that I do like is that you have the Rapido emblem in the back on the little indicator lights, which is a nice touch. There's plenty of attention to detail. You have access to your garage at both sides. Your toilet cassette is kept in here, and then all your electrical items like your fuse box is kept in there. Into the driver's seat, we do have that panoramic windscreen with it being an A-Class model, so it does give you a nice airy driving experience. Now this model does come with the Connect pack, so you've got your keyless start, your dashboard is all fully digital, you've got your multifunctional steering wheel here as well, and you've got your Pioneer multimedia system with your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto, so you're road trip ready. So into the front lounge, we've got a full leather upholstery finish. It's finished in a lovely cream colour, so it is nice and light and open and airy. This table folds out in half, and your two chairs at the front swivel, so you can comfortably sit a few people in your front lounge. Into our kitchen area, we have the beautiful gloss cabinetry finish. You've got the dark oak, and there's also a new marble type effect on your worktop counters. The sink is huge, which is great, and then just behind that we've got our 2-ring gas burners. Now for the cupboards in the Rapido, there's actually a little electric button which will lock it, and it'll prevent the drawers from sliding open when you're driving, or any rattles as well. So in the 2026 models, we have the Truma Neo Combi control panel. So this is new. It's all fully touchscreen. This is where you access your lights, your battery levels, your water and your heating. You can actually access it through the iNet X application on your phone as well, which is great because if you're not in the van, then you have access to all of this as well. You've got underfloor heating to the right, so that is always great for those winter months. And then just by the habitation door is a swivel TV bracket, so it will take a decent sized TV and you can obviously watch it in the front lounge, turn it round and watch it over here as well. Just behind that is our grill, so it's just above the fridge. You've got a huge fridge freezer. In fact, you've actually got a separate freezer box, so if you do like to go away for long trips, there's plenty of storage in there for all your food. We do have a separate shower and toilet in the 896, and you've got plenty of space in here. So your shower's over there to the left. Over here is your toilet and your sink. You've got some racks there for your toiletries as well. So at the back is our island bed layout. Now you've brilliant storage back here with your wardrobes at the back, and then you've got your overhead cabinets. You've got USB ports at either side. That bed is set up for the daytime layout, so obviously you'll pull that down whenever you're looking to go to bed. You've got a sliding partition here, so this blocks off the bedroom and just gives you that bit of privacy. And as well as this, you have the door from the bathroom to close off the lounge area. So over the cab, we have our huge double bed. Now this is a pull down. It comes down so easily just with this button that slides across. And then you've got a ladder to use if you need to climb up into it. So that was a walk through our Rapido 896 2026. You can check out the full details of this on our website. It's thompsonleisure.com. Don't forget to subscribe and give us the thumbs up if you are enjoying the content. If you'd like to get in touch with one of the sales team, give us a wee call on 028 9269 3999, or you can send me an email. It's charlotte@thompsonleisure.com.